Converting audio wave MP3, UGG, AAC, WMA to MIDI is very difficult because I myself am looking for a converter software that doesn't work at all. I don't know why it's so difficult. I have visited various sites on the internet and the results are zero. I didn't find a suitable software to be able to convert wave MP3, UGG, AAC, WMA audio files to MIDI format. Various sites offer downloads of wave MP3, UGG, AAC, WMA to MIDI conversion software, paid and free, but when clicked on the download button, it turns out that it is just fraud, or there is no result. I was not discouraged. I still searched and searched for software to convert audio files wave MP3, UGG, AAC, WMA to MIDI audio files. Finally I found an alternative that after I tried, it managed to convert audio files wave MP3, UGG, AAC, WMA to MIDI audio files. Wow, this really surprised me. And here I will share the findings that I have successfully found with you. Because this greatly enhances our ability to play music, especially for cross software, because I myself don't have a real piano. Here I am still using Everyone Piano. Actually a piano learning software but I really like working with that little software because it is very easy to play with a PC keyboard as if I would have my own physical piano. The following is how to convert audio files wave MP3, UGG, AAC, WMA to MIDI audio files. One. Via OFAC.com. Convert wave or MP3, UGG, AAC, WMA etc. Stream audio file to MIDI file. MIDI can be used in more player and also be used in more games software. MIDI file is very small. Input formats. Wave MP3, UGG, AAC, WMA output formats, MID. 2. Via BearAudioTool.com, convert MP3 format to MIDI format. MIDI stores syllable characters and its volume is very small. The actual way to convert is the same as the reference above. Because according to the author, these two sites are indeed almost the same. I don't know too much. Is it really one company? How to convert? Please enter your WAV format file, select local file, and waiting for a few seconds. You can also choose files from a specific URL, same as the website number 1 above. After that, you just click Start Converting. Please wait for the process of converting. Convert WAV or MP3, UGG, AAC, WMA to audio MIDI. After the conversion process is complete, please click Download All or Download. https://www.bearaudiotool.com/mp3-to-midi *. This site does not store user-uploaded files. All uploaded and converted files will be automatically deleted after 2 hours by uploading documents. You are agreeing to our terms of use. It's finished finally. Your MIDI audio file is ready. We will try MIDI file conversion to Anvil Studio. Hi, tutorial it's finished and now you can do that. Don't forget to subscribe me and follow my music. JYAAAAA. Bye.